Okay, how to use a new Builder 4 lookup object, part 1. Now in New Builder, I think that the lookup object is one of the most powerful objects because it allows us to directly link to other tables very quickly and generally using an object that we've already created, a form that we've already created. So you can see I've picked one there, and I can just scroll through here and choose the fields that I want displayed. So I'm going to say we're saying 1 here and saying 2 as the description. Okay, so I've picked a record there, and now I've got saying 1 and saying 2. Now sometimes I don't have a second part that I want to display. I'm only looking up one value really. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pick a different code. This is the thing I really want to see, and I set the width on the description to 0. So now, if I pick something, that's exactly what I see. There's no second part I need there. If I set that width on description there to 0. That's the first part of lookups.